Difference between my build and all the other M57 swap builds. Mine's going to be a 6-speed manual. Last video we made the shifter. So now all we have to do is figure out how we're going to connect that to that. Stay tuned to see how we do it. Luckily I've been thinking about this for a long time, so got all the parts ready and we're just going to crack on and see what we can build. Alright, first attempt I messed up a little because I drilled the holes a little bit too big, so there's a little bit of play, but that translates to so much on that end. Gonna have to redo all 3 mounts. So I've drilled smaller holes, a millimetre smaller, and I've got some nylock nuts for them as well, and that eliminates all of the play. And that, 0 play. Look at that. Need to work on a few things, but yeah, we're nearly there. Reduce that throw and we'll nearly be there. Ha ha ha!